So welcome again guys to the tutorial of SAP ABAP, and today we are going to learn the inline declaration which we used in the reports or in any sort of programs, right? So just go to SE38 transaction, right, which is the T code for writing a program. Now just give a program name, like I am giving Z test inline declaration, right? So just click on it, create it, and give a title of your program and give a type of your program, that what type of program it is, executable, include, module, pool, or somewhat else, right? Just save it and save it. I am saving it in a local object, right? So here what I'm going to do is I'm writing a select query, right? So in that select query I am taking the data from Mara table. I'm using currently as star, but don't use star in your while you are writing a program. It will like decrease the performance of your program. So we have written like select star from Mara into. So this is how we are declaring the inline declaration while writing a program or a select query. So using this keyword @data, and directly you can write the internal table name. So it will automatically create your internal table name in the system, right? And we are taking it as a size of version not equal to 0, so we can directly check it whether it is correct or not. So just go to debug option and just debug it whether the code is that you have written is correct or not. So now press F5. So it is taking time because we have written a select star on Mara table, so it will impact the program performance, right? So you can also like take the only fields that is required. So these are the data which we have fetched from the Mara table without the declaration of structure, which we used to declare earlier when the inline declaration is not with us. So this is how we used to write code while like declaring the structure in SAP. So just write down this code, Mara type Mara Metnar. Okay, so this is the field which we are taking as a structure. Now we have to declare an internal table and a work area as well for this particular structure, right? So just write data IT Mara type standard of and the structure name that you have created above, and declare the work area as well. So these are the two methods of creating a structure. One is directly in the select query and one is like that we have written above. So you can write the fields name as well, which is only required in your program. Don't use star. See, because Mara is a like very heavy table when you talk about SAP tables. So never use star, it will impact the program performance. Now so it will give you an error because it will say IT Mara is already declared, but we have used is as a inline declaration, so no need to declare the structure that we have declared above. So currently we have created only the structure, we don't have any work area. So this is how we are going to create the work area. So just comment this section and write the loop on IT Mara and declare data. In brackets you need to declare your work area, so it will declare like this. So no need to create such kind of structures, and you can directly create your internal table and work area like this. So this is all about the inline declaration.